Sandeep Patil, part 3 of the series on Sandeep Patil. Then against England in the 81-82 series, after a very impressive tour of Australia and England, New Zealand, Patil had a very poor series, scoring 17 and 13, 17, 31, 0 and 17 in the 4 test matches he played before being dropped from the team for the first time. Patil scored just 95 runs in 5 innings at an average of just 19, falling twice to LBW to bottom in the first test. Again LBW to lever, and only in the third test he made 31. Patil was dropped, and then including the second test for England at Old Trafford after being dropped in the first test. Patil made another marvelous comeback, 129 not out against Bob Willis, hitting him for 6 fours in a over. In a marvelous 129 in a drawn match, Patil hit 129 not out after 18 fours and 2 sixes of 196 balls, hitting Bob Willis for 6 fours in a over. England had Bob Willis, Derek Pringle, Ian Botham, Phil Edmonds, and Jeff Miller among the bowlers. Then in the final test, he made 62, and his test place was seemingly secure again. And in the following series in Sri Lanka, he made 114 in the one-off test, which was Sri Lanka's first test match. Had a very good match, 114 not out in Sri Lanka's not out, and 46 in the Chinnaswamy Stadium at Chennai. The match was drawn and Patil was in the limelight again in a drawn match. Then he toured Pakistan, and the series, he didn't exactly do well in the series. Averaged just 173 runs in this series with a top score of 84, and finding 68 and 84 of his 2 off centuries. But in the other innings, he 4, 0, 6 and 2 and 9. And after the 4th test match, he was dropped again. This was Patil's second pace of test cricket.